Hey, I'm Blaine again, and back with us is
Matt.
And now we have Mr.
I'm Dylan.
And here we go. We're going to do a different thing for you. We're going to show you what we have laid out here is our raise system. So if you remember from last time, we had a load distributing anchor system, and we're going to start from there. So Matt's going to put together our load distributing anchor system. Remember our woohoo that we put in the green sling. And this is where we left off last time. But what we're going to do here is we're going to click in and build an entire raised system for you. So if you want to take a look, here's the base of the raised system, and then down further we have some more equipment. So take a look at the equipment that we're going to need. We have assembled the pulleys that we need, the carabiners, the pressix, and of course our rope, which is going to support our load. Okay, so here's the base of our raised system. What Matt's going to start putting together is first our bear paw, and then the carabiner that starts our system on the raised side. Notice the three components of the raised system are two pressix. We have a short pressix and a long pressix. If you remember, to tie our pressix onto the rope, we three-wrap them. So he goes 3 times around. Then he's got the knot in the middle. So what he's going to do is he's going to work it out and clean up his knot so that the knot is over to the side and the pressix can grab the rope. And if you'll notice down here, Dylan has done the same thing in front with our haul cam system. So same thing, short pressing cord, wrapped around, knot off to the side, and on that he's going to tie, or he's going to put our pressing line pulley on the bend of the Z-rig, clip into his pressix, and then also clip into his pulley. This right here, we're going to consider the haul cam of this raised system. And this raised system that we're building is in a 3-to-1 configuration. So if you'll come back down here to where Matt is finishing up his second pressix, he's tied his short pressix closest to the anchors, his long pressix, and then he's got his pulley there. And there's a specific way that we're going to load this into the system. First thing we're going to do is put the short pressix in. Second thing, long pressix in. And third thing, the pressix minding pulley. So you can remember that SLP, so short, long pressix minding pulley. A lot of us remember slip. You don't want to slip. You don't want this system to slip, so short, long pressix minding pulley. What we have here, sometime you might remember that this would be considered a double pressix belay system, but that's just the base of our haul system for the raise. Here we go, we're going to actually work this system for you now. We've got our load, and they're going to go ahead and load this system. So they've loaded this system. You can see now how this is taut. The load is being transferred down this rope into these pressix, through the pressix, and then down through back into our anchors. This currently is loose, so there's no tension right here. As this comes up through our haul cam, Matt and I are going to pull tension on this, which is going to transfer our load. You take a look, it's no longer in these pressix, but it's in here, transferred back, so our pressix are loose, the rope is moving through the pressix, and we're going to be pulling our load slowly to us. We have a 3-to-1 configuration in this. If we've raised to the point where we need to stop, we can lower back into the load. These pressix here, as you see, will catch our load. This once again becomes dead, and the load is transferred back into the anchors by these two pressix. Thank you.